Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to MS Excel video series. So in the last class we have discussed about some basic options. So now we are going to discuss about two formulas. The name of those formulas are max and min. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write some values here. So I'm going to delete this one. So we have to write some values. For example, I'm going to write here 10, 30 and some different values. We have to write that. So as you can see, I have written these values. So what we have to do, basically I'm going to write the is equal symbol here. So we have to write is equal and then I'm going to write the max here. After writing the max, as you can see, here are multiple numbers. So I'm going to select these all numbers. After selecting these all numbers, I'm going to close the bracket. After closing the bracket, now what we need to do, we have to press the enter. After pressing the enter, as you can see, it will basically the function of max formula is it will show you the maximum, the largest number in your criteria, that what is the largest number. So this is the largest number in your selected range. So what we have to do, after that we are going to write is equal, then I'm going to write the min, and then I'm going to start the bracket, and then I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to close it and then press enter. The minimum, the min, basically min stands for minimum, and the function of this, it will show you the smallest value under the range you have selected. So as you can see, the range we have selected, the minimum value is 10. So this is the function of the max will show you the largest value, and the min will show you the smallest value or the minimum value. So in this way, these both formulas can be used. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use these both formulas. So see you guys in the next video.